Discover this beautifully remodeled home in the charming Old Town district, also known as Old Pompano. Just under 2 miles from the beach, it's perfectly located close to parks, schools, a golf course, and fantastic restaurants. Enjoy quick access to the amphitheater, Pompano Airport, and the vibrant new downtown area filled with dining and entertainment. The backyard is your private oasis. Plenty of space for a pool, fully fenced, and beautifully landscaped with mature fruit trees. A covered patio makes it perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Inside, you'll love the bright, spacious open floor plan, a cozy bay window with bench seating, and an oversized primary suite with vaulted ceilings. The bedrooms are generously sized, and the kitchen is simply stunning.